Good day everyone! Welcome to the new episode of Learning for EDOC 323. For this content, it's all about a daily life with e-learning tools. We will going to tackle the different e-learning tools and platforms that use for a day. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves.
I am Jan Claire Madrigal.
I am Albert Katapang. I am Benji Fernandez.
And I am Amor Milambiling.
Hi, I am Ara Cusel.
And I'm Joshua Carpilla. So now, let's begin.
We are Minsuan. Of course, we use Facebook for our morning routine. It offers significant benefits such as network with the class, teacher, and professor, which can aid an academic and career opportunity. Facebook group facility collaboration on group, resource sharing, and efficient communication about classmate assignment. Additionally, the platform is used for organizing and promoting events and access updates and resources from educational institutions and student organizations. It also provides opportunity for skills developed in communication and social management available for future career.
We're Minsuan. Of course, we use Google Classroom for our work and study. It provides a centralized platform for managing assignments, receiving announcements, and accessing course materials, making organization easier. Google Classroom also facilitates seamless communication and collaboration with teachers and peers through comments and shared documents. Additionally, it integrates well with other Google tools, enhancing productivity and simplifying the learning process.
We are Minsuan. Of course, we use YouTube during lunch break because it offers numerous benefits. It provides access to a vast array of educational content, including tutorials, lectures, and explainer videos, which can supplement classroom learning. YouTube also allows for self-paced learning, enabling students to review complex topics at their own convenience. Additionally, it fosters engagement through visual and interactive content, making learning more enjoyable and effective.
We're Minsuan. Of course, we use Canva during the afternoon. It provides an intuitive platform for creating visually improving presentations, posters, infographics, and also enhancing the quality of assignments and projects. Canva's extensive library of templates and design elements make it easy for students to produce professional-looking work without advanced design skills. Additionally, it facilitates collaborations by allowing multiple users work on the same project simultaneously, improving group work efficiency.
For Minsuan, of course, we use Microsoft Word at LinkedIn. It provides tools for writing and formatting essays, reports, and other documents ensuring professional and polished outputs. Words built-in features such as spell check, grammar, suggestion, and citation management enhance the quality and accuracy of written work. Additionally, these collaborative capabilities allow the multiple users to edit and comment documents in real time, facilitating group, object, and peer reviews.
In conclusion, utilizing platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google Classroom, Canva, and Microsoft Word offer a comprehensive set of tools that enhance the student learning experience and academic experiences. These resources facilitate effective communication, collaboration, and organization while providing access to the wealth of information and learning opportunities. They also empower students to produce high-quality works and enhance their creativity and skills. Join us and let's use learning tools and platforms effectively and wisely. Thank you for watching!